In this video, you'll learn how to use Rollup in Airtable. Rollup fields are a powerful way to summarize information from linked records, so by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set one up and choose the right options for your workflow. First, open your web browser on your computer and go to airtable.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your account. Once you're in, find and open the base where you want to use a Rollup field. Then inside that base, open the specific table where you want the Rollup to appear. Remember, Rollup fields work with linked records, so make sure this table is already linked to another table that holds the data you want to summarize. With your table open, look along the top where you see all your existing field names. Move all the way to the right until you see the plus icon for adding a new field. Click this plus button to start creating a new field. Airtable will open a panel or pop-up where you can choose the type of field. By default, it may suggest something like a single line text field, but you'll want to change that. Open the field type menu, then scroll through the options and select Rollup. This tells Airtable that this field will pull and summarize information from linked records rather than storing standalone data. Next, give your new Rollup field a clear descriptive name. For example, if you're summarizing total sales from linked orders, you might call it total sales. If you're summarizing the number of related tasks, you might name it task count. A descriptive name will make it easy to understand at a glance what this Rollup is doing, especially if you or your team come back to this base later. After naming the field, you'll need to tell Airtable which linked table and which field from that table you want to aggregate. First, choose the linked record field in your current table. This is the field that connects to another table, such as a field linking projects to tasks or customers to orders. Once that's selected, Airtable will let you choose a specific field in the linked table to roll up. This might be a number field for amounts, a date field, or another type, depending on what you're summarizing. Now, select the aggregation function. This determines how Airtable will combine the values from all the linked records. For numbers, you can use sum to add them up, average to get the mean, or count to see how many linked records there are. If you want to bring values together into a single text string, you can use array join to join them, often separated by commas or another character you specify. Choose the function that best matches the summary you need. If you're not sure, sum and count are common starting points for numerical data. Once everything looks good, click Create Field. Airtable will add your new Rollup field to the table and immediately calculate the values for each record based on the existing linked records. You can scroll through your table to make sure the results look right and adjust your Rollup settings later if needed. That's all it takes to set up and use a Rollup field in Airtable, giving you a quick way to summarize and analyze related data across tables.